HTTPD. So we're going to start it up, sudo systemctl, start HTTPD. That is started. Just go ahead and make sure everything's good. That's good. You see these things right here. If I got to hit the right key, I don't like that, right? That's why I had the no pager thing before. But anyway, that service is running good. Let me show you. That service is running good right now. All right, let me grab my public IP address really quick. Boom. Boom. What's that? Boom. All right. So let me make sure I have my VPN turned on. Yep. All right. Cool. Sweet. All right. My VPN is on. So if I curl, well, first of all, let me do sudo ls var log. This is where the log will start on Linux, right? This HTTPD file right here is where our logs will be stored. You see there's going to be an access log. There's going to be an error log. Right now, there shouldn't be anything in the access log. If I cat it open, it's empty, right? If I curl that IP address, right? This is the website. It works, okay? It works. If I curl that, you see what we get. Cool. Now, all right, this is the same web page, right? It works. 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 Okay, cool. Let's go sudo var sudo cat var log HTTPD access logs. All right, look here. The first time when we accessed it, we used the curl command. You see right here, we use the curl command. And you can see that curl pops up in the logs when you try to do that. All right. The next time we accessed it was from the web, from Safari. We use the web browser to access it. Right? And you can see that it tells you you're using Safari. Right? You're using Safari. And we did it again the second time. We used Safari. Now, the reason I had stopped is because and this is a good note for everybody. I did not want my public IP address to be shown. So what I did was made sure my VPN was turned on, which is why we got disconnected from the EC2 server. Right. So what you're seeing is not my public IP address. This is the VPN's public IP address based out of Australia or somewhere. I don't know. All right. So cool.